Make a great choice today with the 2017 Lincoln MKZ. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, heated outside mirrors, alloy wheels, power mirrors, traction control, outside temperature gauge, auto headlight on/off, rear window defroster. Inside you'll find backup camera, leather upholstery, heated seats, Sirius satellite radio, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, push button start, cruise control, trip computer. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.